So today I'll be showing you exactly how you can utilize ChatGPT to get more views on your YouTube videos, and this can apply even to other social media platforms. It doesn't only have to be for YouTube, but in this case I'll be using YouTube as an example. You would just basically change what I'm doing for whatever platform you're on, and it'll be able to do that for you. So the easiest way is to simply go ahead and tell ChatGPT who you are and what it is that you're trying to do. So for instance, in this hypothetical situation, I said I'm a fitness YouTuber and I want to create content that could go viral. So once again, you can basically say YouTuber, you can say Instagram, posts or whatever it is. It doesn't really make a difference. But in this case, we're going to say YouTuber and then get some replies from ChatGPT. And we're going to basically come up with some post ideas and then have it, help us optimize it so that we can get the most views possible. Now there are other methods that you can utilize as well, such as going into projects or into custom GPTs and having your own little section for that. But in this case, you can just utilize the common chats. It's not a big deal. ChatGPT understands SEO better than anybody, so you can go through it with ChatGPT just in a basic chat if you want to do it quickly. But like I said, in the case that you would want to be a bit more specific and have your stuff confined, then I'd recommend starting a new project and keeping it confined to that. Or you can go ahead and basically create your own custom GPT that's specialized in this like I did over here, but it doesn't make a huge difference. ChatGPT common chats are just as good. So for instance, here we see it says viral fitness video ideas in 2025. So for instance, it says here, I tried popular TikTok workout for 30 days, and it gives us 10 ideas or so, about 10 ideas that we can utilize for our video. So in a hypothetical situation, let's say we liked one of the videos, so we'll say that we took this one. Alright, so now we'll say this, and then we'll basically, let's say that we went ahead and filmed it, so we can say, I made the 5 Tiny Habits That Transform My Body video in long form. Please help me with a description and tags. Now by doing this, you're going to have ChatGPT actually go through it and come up with the best SEO optimized description, and then it'll also give you some examples of tags that are most beneficial for your niche. In this case, we are working in the fitness industry, so what you would do is go ahead and just copy the tags, and when you're uploading your video, obviously put them in. And you would do the same thing with the description. But what I'd recommend doing is, in the case that the description does seem a little more AI looking or a little ChatGPT looking, I'd recommend going and changing a few things for your own little personal twist, but you have an idea of the format of what it would look like. That way you don't have to spend too much time, editing it. You would simply just add your own personal touch. Now what you can also do is, like, let's say you had your YouTube video built now, you uploaded it, you did this, now you would say, now for shorts. So for instance, if you wanted to reformat some of your video into shorts, you can just say now for shorts, and it'll give you basically the shorts description and the tags that are more optimized for shorts specifically. Then an optional title that's better for shorts, as well as anything else that you'd be posting. You can also go ahead and then say, for instance, Instagram Reels. And then that way it'll give you exactly what you should put in that as well, and it includes the hashtag since it's a different formatting on Instagram. And we can even do TikTok, and basically you get the point. You would just be able to utilize the same format for basically any different platform by simply asking ChatGPT and telling it who you are, what it is you want to do, and then asking it for a SEO optimized version of whatever it is that you're creating. Then it can even give you ideas on your on-screen text ideas, sound suggestions, etc. So by basically following this, you're going to up your views dramatically because you are following exactly what the SEO is for the platform through ChatGPT. It knows better than any of us exactly what you should be putting on the platform, and I've already experienced it for myself that it does definitely work. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.